This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the footage and prerequisites. Check codec, resolution, and frame rate so you know limits. Once done, back up the source and open a modern editor that supports your codec. This prevents recompression issues. Make sure you have 10-20% free disk space for caching. You will also enable high-quality preview or proxy workflow if the file is large, because that speeds edits without degrading final quality. Now you optimize and correct. First, apply gentle color grading and denoising. Heavy filters destroy detail. Then set export parameters. Choose codec H, 264 or H, 265. Pick a target bitrate or VBR2 pass for consistent quality, and match source resolution and frame rate to avoid scaling artifacts. Once configured, enable hardware encoding if reliable, and preview short. Finish by exporting and verifying the result against the original. Use visual checks, waveform, and histogram to confirm color and detail. If you see banding, macro blocking, or motion stutter, increase bitrate, try a slower preset, or switch to a different encoder. Sometimes using 10-20% higher bitrate fixes visible artifacts. Make sure to keep the project files and export settings so you can re-export quickly. If problems persist, test small sections to iterate faster and isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.